Hey, what's up? My name's Dustin, and I'm a developer here at Treehouse. How often have you seen a copy to clipboard button while you're on the web? They're all over the place, and they're actually really easy to create with just a little bit of JavaScript. So let me show you how we can build one. Let's take a look at the HTML. We basically just have a container for our input, and inside of it, we just have an input with the type of text and a button. The magic is actually going to be in the JavaScript. So let's create a couple of variables. I'll write const input equals document.querySelector, and we'll select the input. And I'll do the same for the button. I'll write const button equals document.querySelector button. And what we'll do is we'll run an event listener on the button by writing button.addEventListener, and we want to listen for clicks. Inside the callback function, we'll just write navigator.clipboard.writeText. And writeText is a method that takes in one argument, which is the text that we want to copy. So in this case, we want to copy the input.value. I'll hit save and head on over to my browser. I'll type in hello world into the input, and I'll hit our copy button, and now our text is copied. I'll open up our console and I'll press Ctrl V on my keyboard, and now you see hello world pasted into the console. Now I'll erase hello world and I'll type in Team Treehouse. I'll hit the copy button again and paste our clipboard into the console, and now you see Team Treehouse. Sweet, it works. And that's it. It really doesn't take a whole lot of code to write a copy to clipboard feature using JavaScript. This was just one demonstration of one solution, but if you'd like to learn more about Clipboard or Navigator, check out the description or teacher's notes down below for more resources. I hope this quick guide helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have fun and happy coding.